Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a secure cloud architecture with Azure. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding the core principles of cloud security. Begin by defining your security requirements based on your organization's specific needs. Access the Azure portal and sign in with your credentials. Navigate to the Azure resource group where you want to build your architecture. Create a new virtual network to ensure secure communication between resources. Set up subnets within the virtual network for better organization and control. Implement network security groups, or NSGs, to define inbound and outbound rules for your subnets. Provision a virtual machine within the subnet, selecting an appropriate operating system. Configure the virtual machine with security best practices, such as disabling unnecessary services. Ensure the virtual machine's firewall settings align with your NSG rules. Next, create an Azure storage account for secure data storage. Enable secure transfer required and consider using encryption for the data at rest. For database needs, set up Azure SQL Database and configure transparently data encryption. Implement Azure Active Directory for identity and access management. Create user roles and assign permissions according to the principle of least privilege. Set up multi-factor authentication for added security for user access. Utilize Azure Key Vault to manage sensitive information like connection strings and API keys. Ensure that all access to Azure resources is logged for audit purposes. Leverage Azure Security Center to monitor your resources and get security recommendations. Regularly review and update your cloud architecture in line with evolving security threats. Conduct periodic security assessments and vulnerability scans to ensure ongoing protection. Establish an incident response plan to address potential security breaches effectively. Finally, document all configurations and policies for future reference and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.